Hey everybody, it's Yuuki once again giving you guys today's website from scratch update. This is your very first look at the website from scratch ever since I made that preview post on the community tab. For this website, we are going to be doing tutorials, but I am also going to add one gaming section for you guys. We'll see which one gets the website publicity. But let me tell you how the website is going to go and what's on it and what you can expect in the future. We're also going to take a look at how a blog works as well as what I'm going to be doing for the tutorials page. So let's go over how it looks like. So this right here is our hero banner. It's called hero banner because it's the first thing you're going to see when you get on the website. By the way, the website is now open so that you guys can play with it. But keep in mind, not everything works because I don't have every HTML page right now. Those will come up in the very near future. So, so here's the hero banner. You guys know about this banner because it's the main one we use for our YouTube channel. I used this one time. And then we have our what we call mission statement, albeit it's more like here's what we are offering with our tutorials, and in some cases, some gaming ones too. On the bottom here, we have the tutorial offerings. So these are the offerings that I have on the website as well as on the YouTube channel. So all you have to do to get to a certain page, if you want to learn about HTML, click the third button or the third image, which is the HTML tutorials. It's an image link. That is what you call image link on HTML programming. You just click on it. Just keep in mind right now, there's nothing going to happen because I don't have the page set up for it because I'm still thinking of how I'm going to format the page. What I will tell you is how I will format the website update page. So we're going to go ahead and click on this site updates page. And as you can see, we have a blog styled website updates page. Now keep in mind, whatever you see here is actually going to be official, except for the first official post. The first post is a test post demonstrating what you can learn or what you're going to see how a video or how a image or how the post is going to work. For example, we have an image of the hero banner. Now keep in mind, this is the only time I'm going to go all out when it comes to a test post. Okay? When we actually do it for real, I'm going to actually do website updates on this page. Here you're going to see a test video. But everybody knows about this video. Why? It's episode 2 of our Mystery Dungeon Protectors of Kindness VRChat series. You can actually watch it here on the site, and it's actually going to count as a view. Just keep in mind, if you want to comment on a video, you actually must go to the YouTube channel. The reason being is because this is not equipped with PHP. PHP is another programming language, however, that is more advanced, and I am not willing to go that route right now just because it is a little bit more complicated than HTML. So we're gonna wait on a PHP stuff another time. But you feel free to comment on the video when you go to the YouTube channel. Then on the bottom there, you're gonna see what you're going to learn about on this lesson. And then I was thinking of doing two columns, a two-column layout. On the left side, you're going to learn about, hey, what are you going to want to learn about this video? And on the right, you're going to learn some helpful tips, something like that. Then if I need to go further, I'm going to talk about, hey, what are the tags you learned today? You learn about the P tag, you learn about the HTML tag, you learn about the B tag, B as in banana. You also learn about, let's say, the footer. Whatever needs to be said will be posted down there. Okay? Now you might be wondering why is now let's say in this video, for example, why is the video so wide? Well, few reasons. Number one, when I put in the HTML code, I put 100% for the width. The reason being is because of mobile phones. You might be wondering why mobile phones are involved. Because the website is now public, kind of. All you have to do is yukiproductions.th site.top, and then you're going to get to the home page. When you get to the home page, it's going to shrink it to where the phone can accept it. So I will tell you, I've been testing this on the phone as well. Yes, it's going to look weird because it's a phone, it's not a desktop. But remember, with 100% width, it's going to fit into the square. If you turn your phone sideways in the horizontal format, it's going to fit into that box, which you can see the white background box. And once you've done that, you can scroll down to where the lesson notes are. Okay, and by the way, the video does work, even with different aspect ratio. Now you'll be wondering why is this important in terms of the website and all that stuff. Reason being is because a lot of people nowadays use their phone for internet. And when you use your phone for internet, they have to be able to read whatever is on the website or whatever they're reading. Now, doesn't mean that the video is going to look weird. Yeah, but at least it's watchable. That's the catch. Yes, you sacrifice a little bit of style for the benefit of CS, for the benefit of people watching. So if you watch it in a horizontal format, it's going to look the same as if you're watching on YouTube. Just keep in mind when you are using your thumbs on the phone, try your best to stay on the white area so that you can scroll up and down when you're watching a video. The lesson notes will be on the bottom as well, so you guys can see that. On mobile devices, um, on the mobile device like a phone, tablet, smartphone, you're going to see something different on the top right corner. You're going to see three bars. That is called what you call a hamburger menu. The reason for this is because for mobile phones, most of the time when you have a website with different pages, you're going to see three bars on the top right corner. That is called the hamburger menu. It really looks like a hamburger with three lines. You press that button, then you're going to get to the pages that I have for the different tutorials, the home page, all that site, all the stuff. And then if you want a specific tutorial, you click on the tutorial menu like this, which I'm going to show you here. On the phone, it's going to look different. Here's how it looks on desktop. That's what you're going to see. Keep in mind, not every page is ready yet. That's why I'm not posting anything on it until I put the page up. The first page that's going to be up is HTML CSS because we just started that series yesterday. Episode 1 came out yesterday or on Monday. So, yes, that is what you can look forward to. As far as what else is coming to the site besides the tutorials, I may include one gaming section, but you guys vote on that. But the majority of the content here is going to be the tutorials that I have for you here. That is what you wanted, so I'm going to give you what you want. I'm also going to give you one gaming section based on what you like. Now, keep in mind, the next update I'm going to have for you is going to include sticky bar to the right side. What I mean by that is on the right side of your screen, you know how when you scroll, you don't see this bar. Well, in the next update, I'm going to try my best to make a sticky bar. It's called a sticky element. And the sticky element allows you to stick literally stick on the page. The reason for this is so that when we do the real big tutorials, if you want a specific topic, let's just say paragraph tag, or you want to learn about tables, then on the right side of your screen, on the right side of the page, you're gonna see episode list. Under episode list, you're gonna see links. These links will link you straight to that episode on the same page. This is what we call in programming a anchor link, and there's different types of anchor links. It will lead to the same page though. An anchor link is where it goes to the same page. A href is going to go to a different page. So if you go from the welcome page, the home page, to the site updates, it's an href. But if you go to somewhere in the same page, it's called an anchor. Okay, it's the same thing. It's an A tag, but it's used differently. All right, that is the website update for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed what you see, and I hope you guys are ready for more. You guys are gonna go vote on which gaming section you want. Now keep in mind, for the most part, we're going to be sticking with tutorials on this website. But I'm going to allow one gaming section because I know for sure you want one gaming section. Okay, that's all for now. Well, I'm going to continue on the site until we start our classic Mario. So 5:30. See you for that, and then tomorrow VRChat, and then on Friday VRChat again to celebrate my birthday. That's all for now. We'll see you guys in about 7 6 hours from now. 7 hours from now. Enjoy and keep on coding, I guess.